Blackberry Cove Herbal, traditional Appalachian herbalism, celebrates spiral seasons, East Coast regional plants, and family folk legends. Monthly by month, come with Linda on a magic journey, medicines and recipes. Grandmother knows what grows. Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go. Let us go to Blackberry Cove. Through the seasons we rove. West Virginia, Wilderness Grove. Together we cross the sacred clove. Secret clove. Grandmother knows what grows. Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go. What is ours in our hours? Forgotten bowers, picking flowers. We will go to the valley of the Swiss family. Robinson Raaaaay Goooes. Grandmother knows what grows. Oh, Raaaaay Goooes.
What is ours in ours? What grows? Oh, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go.
What is ours in our hours? Forgotten bowers, picking flowers. We will go to the valley of the Swiss family. Robinson Raaaaay Goooes. Grandmother knows what grows. Oh, Raaaaay Goooes. So sit right back and you will hear a tale of some friendly folk. Medicine, tinctures and recipes, and salves and songs, and other traditional